Hello YouTube. Now, you're always seeing gardens that are beautiful and fully done and look amazing. And I just wanted to show you a garden that's clearly a work in progress and it has a lot of work to go. But I've just started in the last year or so, so I think I'm doing alright. Okay, here we go. So here we got some hanging things. This has only been in here for a couple of months and it's already doing really well. It got a little smushed over here. And then we have some wire vine. And has anyone else noticed little white flowers on this that are like jelly, kind of squishy? There were flowers on this for like 2 days and then they disappeared. And I didn't take a picture or anything, so maybe I did. I don't know, I'll have to look. But I feel like a crazy person. If someone else hadn't seen it, I'd really feel like a crazy person. Okay, and we got just some random things that need to go in the ground. Like, I don't know if these are worth saving or not. It's a Corsican mint. And then we got like my mom's aloe here. And this is a recent box planting that I've done. And these, I can't remember exactly when I planted it. I'm not even sure I wrote it down. But this sweet potato vine, this is 2 plants. One here, and it's just like, it's taken off like crazy. I haven't done anything special. I mean, I used Master Start, good dirt, but like it's crazy and it's taking over. And then over here we have our jacaranda tree. Now this is a dwarf jacaranda, so it's only going to get, I think, 12 feet tall at most, but probably not as much because it's in a, container. But it has grown, I'd say the foliage has grown like twice as much. So that's crazy. And here we have a type of milkweed that is legal in California. Normally it looks better, but it's kind of rough because it needs to go in the ground. But it has these orange and red flowers instead of the normal yellow flowers, like the ones I have in my front yard. Okay, here we have I have quite a few like bonsai and training bonsais. I got a bunch of azaleas that were messed up at my job, and so I've just decided to try to bonsai all of them. This is I can't remember what it's called, but I thought it was dead and then it came back. Then we got a maybe olive, and we got a wisteria, and that's just an African daisy. And we got a jasmine over there. And then we have, oh, it's so bright right there. We have a maple right here. This was a seedling I got last year. And then we have 3 plumbagos. Oh, it's blooming again. Jasmine, bougainvillea, however you want to say it. I'm sure either way is fine. This is a pittosporum, actually. I think it's the beach ball pittosporum. I got another jasmine. And then on this stand, I have a few succulents. This one looks really sad. And then I have my oleander, my white oleander I've grown from a cutting. And then some more succulents. And this little pot my cousin made. It's really hard to keep anything alive in it because it's so small. But it seems to be doing okay. And then here's like where I call it my intensive care unit. So I put things here that need to be dealt with, or that are like don't have a home yet, or I got this makeshift garbage bag shade over here. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff in here that needs to be gone through. So clearly I'm gonna have to do more than one video because I'm not even Not even a quarter of the way. Okay, over here we have some more bonsai trainers. 2 loropetalums. This hydrangea I grew from a cutting. I might have to move it. It doesn't seem to like this location as much. And something is eating it. Great. Then I have some jacaranda cuttings that I haven't given up on, even though they clearly look dead. And then another succulent. And then I don't remember what this is. And it doesn't have a label, so whatever that is. Then here I have my creeping Jenny that I got from our customer appreciation last year. The representative from Blooms came in and she gave everyone a free plant, and I took the creeping Jenny because it's gorgeous. And then I have this zinnia I grew from a seed. It just popped up. I think it's the mini, clearly it's the mini ones. And then I have this Nandina that I got from a client. She was just like, I hate Nandina, get it out. I was like, I'll take it. Okay, here's another section of my bonsai trainers. We have another jasmine. And I can't remember what this is. But it was yellowing because I was watering it too much, and now it seems to be doing okay, so I'm happy with it. Then we have a ginkgo and a lantana I'm trying to bonsai. And this is a Chinese elm. And then we got a little baby azalea, and I don't know what this is, and I don't know if it'll live. Plant. Have one of these, and I can never remember which ones are what, but there's that. And then down here I have several aloe bonsai. Well, this one's a bonsai. These were just babies that I pulled out of my mom's aloes. These two were completely brown when I pulled them out, and now they are green and just thriving, and I love it. This I think is a spider plant, but the non-variegated one. Not 100% actually. And then these are succulents. They're called, I don't know how to say it right, Kalanchoa. I don't know. So don't crucify me. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this video. And in the next video, I will show you more.